Well, we have to consider the fact na ang cost sa Maong Linog is the Cotabato Trench, no? Mao ni ang linog naghatag na og 8.3, 8.1 nga linog naghimo og tsunami, nagpatay og 8,000 ka tawo way back in 1976.
Mm.
So sa ato pa ang maong Cotabato Trench will be there forever.
Mm.
The only question now is kanus-an na pud mo tayog, no? Mulihok ang Cotabato Trench.
Mm.
So I think there is now a need for an ordinance in the city na there should be a strict compliance of the National Building Code.
Mm.
And I'm already thinking about passing an ordinance regarding the construction of buildings, houses in Jansan.
Mm.
We have to protect ang katawhan.
Mm.
We have to protect properties in the city.